Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and hands-on with the fitness tracker, or the rather smartwatch from Play, the PlayFit SW75. So we have already covered Play branded fitness trackers on our channel. So Play is a new brand based out of Delhi, and it's an Indian brand now entering into the fitness trackers and smartwatches segment. So they have launched two fitness trackers, and this is their smartwatch, which is basically a fitness tracker in the form of the smartwatch, giving you a really good feel of a smartwatch. Along with that, you get also all the features you get in a fitness tracker as well. So this is the PlayFit SW75 smartwatch. So we're going to do the unboxing. We'll show you the features. So you can see that it has Bluetooth connectivity, high precision sensors, lower power consumption, and it has the chipset details, and all the other sensors are mentioned here. And in terms of the features, you get the detailed features here: notification alert with vibration, and 12mm super slim stainless steel casing. So that's pretty good. It's giving you a good build quality. Corning Gorilla Glass with 2.5D support. There's a third generation Gorilla Glass. So that's something which is pretty good, because you don't see those features on a budget fitness tracker or smartwatch. Then charging time around 2 to 2.5 hours. Working time around 10 to 15 days. That's 2 weeks is the maximum one. So that's again really good. Then it's also deep waterproof, up to 50 meter you can go, and it also has 14 sports mode included. So that's the feature. So you can see that all the functions are included here. Then sleep monitoring, music control, then we have multiple watch faces included, steps calculation, brightness control, alarm clock, call reminder. So these things are included with this smartwatch. So we'll just open the smartwatch and then we'll show you how this looks. So this is the smartwatch. So let's just take this out. So that's the PlayFit smartwatch, and you can see that this is the display, and we get two buttons on either side. It's a stainless steel casing which does give a good feel altogether. You can also see the heart rate sensor below. There's a charging mechanism, and the straps also looks good. The material quality of the strap is quite okay, not bad, but for the price segment you can see that this is quite good quality, and this is again metal, so that makes it pretty good. You can see that the metal chassis here. So we have two buttons. So this is the watch face, and you can actually customize these watch faces. So if you swipe from the top, you can see the messages. Then swipe from the right side, you have the heart rate settings. So you can just automatically heart rate monitoring is enabled. You can also see there is a DND option, and this is functions off. So those are the options. Then if you swipe here, you can see that there is a sports mode, heart rate mode, then relax, alarm, then music controller, timer, sports record, and these functions are there. So sports, if you select run, walk, biking, hike, climbing, treadmill, spinning, yoga, so these options are included here. You can just press this button to go back, and relax is another option. You can see there is the relax option. Then heart rate monitoring, alarm, music control is there. Then there is also timer. Then you can see that the dial you can customize. So these are the 3 or 4 options available. We'll just show you once again. Go to settings and dial option. So you can see a couple of dials available here. So this is how you can customize. So this is the dial we just selected here. Now if you just swipe from the bottom, you can see the steps, the distance, the calories for a particular day, the week total also is included. So this is the option, and you can have more options here. So this is how the watch looks like, and you also get the timer. So this is pretty good option, I would say, because this price segment you get these options, and it also looks quite good. Now let's just pair this smartwatch with the app which is available, and we'll also show you how the app looks like. So let's now see what else comes inside the box. So you get a proprietary charging. So this is how you attach. So you can see the charging dock. So just towards the top of the smartwatch, you can just attach it, and you can just charge it with any power bank or computer or any power source. So that's how it works. And then you also get the manual and the warranty information for the PlayFit SW75. So that's all inside the box package of this smartwatch. So this is the app. You can see that activity, sleep, heart rate, all these things are included. you can see your activity, what all you have done in the past 15 days, 7 days and 30 days. So everything will be synced here, and you can also see the heart rate monitoring option. So all the data will be available here. So that's the app, and you can if you go to the home, you can also see the activity you're about to start. Activity logger is also there. So this is the option. So you can also see that the notification options, you can have the time format, sports mode, DND mode, find my phone, music controls, and you can also set the units for this. Alert settings, you can see there is an option for call alert. If you just turn this on, you can get call alert. Inactivity alert is also there. Alarms and menstrual settings are also included for women, and you also get the option to change your details here. So this is the app. It looks fairly rich in features, and it does have all the options. So this is the PlayFit SW75 fitness tracker, or rather a smartwatch, which actually feels pretty good with the build quality, and this is priced 2,999 and will be available on Flipkart. So we'll just share the link in the description of this video in case you plan to buy this fitness tracker. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the PlayFit SW73, which is 75, which is a pretty good fitness tracker and smartwatch for this price segment. So that was unboxing and hands-on. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.